Today we're going to set up the teacher's podium so they could show their class either a PowerPoint, video, or what have you on this type of media here. So we'll begin by turning on the MacBook Pro. We'll allow it to load. While that's loading, we can go ahead and pop up the screens, the LCD1 and LCD2. We'll push down on this here to unlock it. As soon as you open the prompt, you'll notice a turn on system button. So this is a touchscreen system here as well. We'll hit the center button to turn it on. We'll allow that to load. If you notice, there are wires in here. So we have a VGA. This may go to an instructor's computer or a student's computer who might have something stored on theirs that they want to show, either a PowerPoint or some other type of media. And we have the audio cable as well. So as you can tell, from the start, as soon as you turn on the computer and the LCD screen, it is defaulted to connect automatically to the MacBook here. So we have a PowerPoint presentation open here. We'll go ahead and close that out. As you can see here, it's all connected, both screens. And so from here, I'd like to show you how to connect to the DVD player. So on this screen here, the default is CPU. Once you hit CPU, everything is locked in. So from here, we'd like to go and watch a DVD. So we will hit DVD. As you can tell, on the touchscreen it gives us a remote, but it's still connected here to the computer. So we have to activate the DVD player. We have to make sure that it's on first. So it is on. But it's still not activated. So we have to make sure we activate it on the LCD screen. So we hit LCD1, LCD2, and now it's connected. So you're wondering, how do we go back? To go back, it's as simple as, instead of hitting DVD, since we're already at DVD, we go back to CPU, which is this main computer here. We hit CPU, then again we have to hit LCD1 to activate and LCD2 to activate. And there you go. We're back to square one. So in this case, if we had a student come in and they wanted to connect theirs via HDMI or VGA, whatever one they wanted, the HDMI, the difference is HDMI is just high definition and it's got the audio with it. VGA, you have to make sure you put both the audio in and the VGA wherever it needs to go. Once you do that, we will hit laptop, and after we hit laptop, it gives us two options, VGA and HDMI. Whatever one we will connect with. If we don't have an HDMI, we'll do the VGA, we'll connect it into the laptop, and then we will activate the screens as well, LCD1, LCD2. As you can tell, we have nothing plugged into it, of course, but I guarantee you, once you do that, you will have a prompt with their laptop. Let's say somebody wanted to come in and play, connect an Xbox. Well, they could do that by first plugging into the power source that's down here. So we'll plug into the power source. They'll connect their Xbox like they do at home. And from here, they could also use the HDMI cable. And because these two are for laptop, they would have to hit the laptop input. But if they wanted to bring in their own HDMI cable, they would go down here, and there's an HDMI port for Xbox. Once they connect their HDMI cord into their Xbox, then up here we have the Xbox button. And then again, once they hit the Xbox button, they have to activate LCD 1 and LCD 2. And that'll allow them to connect to the Xbox and play as they would. And it's not just for Xbox, they could also connect PlayStation 3 and any other console that is able to connect with a HDMI cable. CPU. Alright. Here we have the volume buttons. So I'd like to show you guys a video real quick. We'll just go to the internet. Cancel this. So you could barely hear the volume, but from here we could definitely turn the volume up.
Whoever that man is going to change the world.
So those are our volume keys. We could also mute it. Alright, so now we will cap it off by turning off the system. Of course, we want to go ahead and quit all applications. And then we just shut down the computer. Once that's shutting down, we can shut down the system. Here we have a system button. We hit system. We could turn both LCDs off. And then we hit the exit button. Then it says, "Are you sure you want to shut down the system?" We'll hit yes. And we can close this here.